Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Abdullah Rahmat Prastomo with NPM 2441161. Class Management 24A. Probabilities Unlocking the Power of Chance. Explore the fundamental principles of probability, the mathematical framework for quantifying uncertainty and making informed decisions in an unpredictable world. Counting techniques, permutations, and combination in action. Before calculating complex probabilities, we must master the art of counting the possibilities. Permutation and combination provide the tools to determine the size of the sample space and specific events. 1. Permutation, the number of ways to arrange a set of objects where the used for sequence, schedules, and arrangements. 2. Combination, the number of ways to choose a subset of objects from a larger set where the used for selecting teams, hands of cards, or ingredients. What is a probability foundation and basic concepts? Defining the core concepts. Probability is a branch of mathematics concerning numerical description of how likely an event is to occur. It is expressed as a number between 0 and 1, where 0 indicates impossibility and 1 indicates certainty. Sample space S, the set of all possible outcomes of a random experiment. Event A subset of the sample space representing a specific outcome or set of outcomes. Probability P A, the measure of the likelihood of an event occurring, calculates as the ratio of favorable outcomes to total possible outcomes. Conditional probability and Bayes' theorem. Understanding dependence. Conditional probability, the probability of an event occurring given the another event B has already occurred. This introduces the concept of dependence between events. Bayes' theorem, a fundamental tool for updating probabilities based on new evidence. It describes how to revise an initial belief prior probability to a posterior probability. Bayes' theorem is crucial in fields like medical diagnosis, machine learning, and sequential decision making. Random variables and probability distributions, modeling uncertainty. Discrete variables, variables that can only take a countable number of values, e.g., number of heads in coin flips, number of defects. Binomial distribution, the discrete distribution of the number of success in a fixed number of independent Bernoulli trials. Continuous variables, variables that can take any value within a given range, e.g., height, temperature, time. Normal distribution, the most common continuous distribution, characterized by its symmetrical Bell-Shaped curve, vital in statistical inference. Probability distribution allows us to predict the likelihood of various outcomes for random phenomena. Expectation and variance quantifying outcomes. Expected value AX, the long-run average value of a random variable over many repetitions of an experiment. It represents the center of the distribution. What you expect to happen on average Variance for X, a measure of the spread or dispersion of a probability distribution. A high variance indicates that data points are widely spread out from the expected value. Low variance, consistent, predictable result, low risk. High variance with range of possible outcome, high risk. Application and real-world impact from games to science. Probability is not just a theoretical concept, it is the foundation of decision-making across numerous industries. Finance and insurance used to risk management, option pricing, and calculation premium based on likelihood of claims. Genetics and medicines, predicting genetic inheritance, evaluating the efficacy of new drugs, and diagnosis testing accuracy. Artificial intelligence underpins machine learning algorithms, allowing AI system to make decisions under urgency, age classification. Gaming and sport, calculating odds, optimizing strategy, and predicting outcomes in complex situations.